You've heard of ancient temples and pyramids. But what if I told you there's a living tree older than all of them? Deep in the White Mountains of California stands the Methuselah tree, a Great Basin bristlecone pine. It's over 4,800 years old. That means it was already growing when the Egyptian pyramids were being built. It has witnessed empires rise and fall, all while silently standing in the mountains. It survives extreme cold, dry conditions and poor soil, proving that sometimes toughness beats beauty. To protect it, scientists don't reveal its exact location. This tree is a living history book written by nature. Want more fascinating facts like this? Subscribe now to Sudhir Factopedia, where knowledge never gets old.